Hello all, again welcome to the another series. So in the last series we have understood and covered about the basic to advanced part of Git. You know about Git, what is GitHub and other things. Now in the today's lecture we are supposed to understand one another tool which is very useful tool for any developer. Its name is Docker. Okay. So what is Docker? First of all let me go in a very definition strategy so that if you haven't get it then we shall move forward and then again go and learn from our same protagonist example Rohan. Okay, so first of all, introduction to Docker. What is Docker? So Docker is an open source platform for building, sharing, running application using a containerization. Now there are very heavy words here. Okay, and if you are a very beginner level learner you would not able to get it. So let me make very easy for you. Okay, so let's again go with understanding with everything from a scenario based learning. So welcome to the episode 1 again. So in the episode 1 again we have Rohan and he is our protagonist, and let's understand the situation and how what challenges he faces and how he came from that challenge. So the first thing is that Rohan's mom has given some grocery list to Rohan, like rice, dosa batter, and other grocery list. Okay. First, understand these things, then I will relate it to the software term. First, understand that Rohan's mom has given some list of grocery and ask Rohan to please find it out from anywhere. Now, what Rohan will do is that Rohan will first check into the locally. He opened the cupboard and then see and check that whether all these items are present in the cupboard or not. If not, then Rohan becomes a little worried that from where he'll get all these things. So now the next strategy of the Rohan is that he go to the grocery shop or let's say some market nearby to him so that he can able to find out these all these grocery, and then whatever listed grocery that his mom has given to him, he can just find it out in the market and then came back and then prepare the stuffs. So what Rohan will do is that after finding out that these groceries are not present in the local system, Rohan go to the market name as Docker Hub Market. Okay, there is a market called Docker Hub Market where he finds all the groceries that has been listed and he put it into the container, and then he prepare all the grocery, checked all the grocery, put it inside the container, and then directly come back to home and then use it. So there is no pain because every grocery is now put into the container, and then he takes the container back home and every grocery is now available. Now let's understand it into the software term that what all these things mean. The first thing is that again let's go and understand. So in the episode 1, the first thing is that imagine a Rohan's mom give a list of rice, dosa batter and other things. Okay, so now understand in a scenario that Rohan was earlier working on an app. Now Rohan's mother want that Rohan can able to execute all these app into a Linux operating system. So what her moms want is that Rohan will now practice everything, every Linux command into the operating system known as the Ubuntu operating system. So what will Rohan do? Rohan will first check all these things into locally. If it is not present, then he go to a big market called Docker Hub. He pulls exactly what he needs. What he needs now, he need a Ubuntu, Ubuntu operating system, right? So he just exactly pulls whatever he needs, whatever recipe he needs, then put it into the container. Technically, it is meant as a Docker container. So inside the Docker container, he puts back all those requirement and softwares, whatever he needed, and then uses instantly. There is no setup, no mess. So he pulls the item in a standardized steel dabba, which we call Docker container. Inside this container, he put back all the things after visiting to the Docker Hub market, and then finally comes back home or in the local system and directly use it. Okay, there is no installation pain and other things. So this is what Docker does for us. Okay, again going to the definition, Docker is an open source platform for building, sharing and running application. I'm just stressing on these point. Running applications using containerization. What is containerization? So containerization is kind of, let's say, a storage system with some compute, where you put all those necessary requirements or library, whatever you need, you go search it into the Docker Hub Market, pull back into the container, and then run the container, so that whatever you needed, your container start running it for you. So these things you want to understand in the episode 1. A very simple thing. Again, just a quick recap. Rohan wants something which is present in the grocery list. First, he will check locally. If he unable to find these things, he go to the Docker Hub Market. He pulls back everything into a container, and then he comes back with the container, and then run the container, and everything start running smoothly without any hesitation. Okay, so this is what Docker does for us. Okay, now in the next video, before moving it into the step 2, let's go and install the Docker into our system, and then we shall move forward into the implementation part. Thank you all.